Navigating customs clearance fees, understanding costs for importers. Welcome back to our channel, dedicated to exploring the intricate world of customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will shed light on the topic of customs clearance fees. We will delve into the various types of fees, their impact on importers and exporters, and strategies to effectively manage these expenses for a successful and cost-efficient customs clearance process. Understanding customs clearance fees is crucial for importers and exporters to accurately calculate the total cost of international trade transactions. These fees contribute significantly to the overall expenses and can have a profound impact on the profitability of businesses engaged in global trade. Let's dive into the different types of fees commonly associated with customs clearance. Customs duties and tariffs are one of the major categories of fees in customs clearance. They are imposed on imported goods by the importing country's customs authorities and are based on the value, classification, and origin of the goods. Importers must be familiar with the applicable tariff rates and ensure proper tariff classification to accurately calculate and pay these fees. Value-added tax, VAT, or Goods and Services Tax, GST, is another significant component of customs clearance fees. These taxes are levied by the importing country on the value of the imported goods. The rates vary from country to country, and importers must consider these taxes as part of their cost calculations. Many countries impose a goods processing fee, also known as an entry fee or harbor maintenance fee. This fee is charged to cover the costs associated with processing and inspecting imported goods. The fee is typically based on the weight or value of the goods and may vary depending on the port of entry. Customs brokerage fees are charges imposed by customs brokers for their services in facilitating the customs clearance process. Customs brokers assist importers with documentation, compliance, and smooth coordination with customs authorities. Importers should inquire about the brokerage fee structure, which may be fixed or based on a percentage of the shipment value. Storage and demurrage charges can be significant expenses incurred during customs clearance. If goods are held at the port beyond a specified period, storage fees may apply. Demurrage charges, on the other hand, are levied for delays in returning containers to the shipping line. Importers should carefully plan their logistics to avoid unnecessary storage and demurrage fees. Customs authorities may conduct inspections or examinations of goods to ensure compliance with regulations. These examinations may be random or triggered by specific criteria. Importers may be responsible for covering the costs associated with the examinations, including inspection fees, handling fees, and any additional charges related to these processes. Importers should explore duty deferral and refund programs offered by customs authorities. These programs allow importers to defer the payment of duties and tariffs or seek refunds if certain conditions are met. Taking advantage of these programs can help manage cash flow and potentially reduce customs clearance expenses. To effectively manage customs clearance fees, importers can employ several strategies. Firstly, conducting thorough research on applicable duties, tariffs, and taxes before engaging in international trade can provide a clearer understanding of potential costs. Secondly, maintaining accurate records and transparent documentation that complies with customs requirements can help avoid additional fees or penalties. Free trade agreements, FTAs, offer importers opportunities to reduce or eliminate customs duties and tariffs. These agreements establish preferential trade terms between countries, promoting economic cooperation and reducing barriers to trade. By understanding and leveraging the benefits provided by FTAs, importers can optimize their customs clearance costs. Importers can employ various duty minimization techniques to reduce customs duties and tariffs legally. These techniques include tariff engineering, which involves adjusting product characteristics to benefit from lower duty rates, and tariff classification analysis to ensure accurate classification and the lowest applicable duty rate. Seeking professional advice and working with experienced customs brokers can be beneficial in implementing these techniques. Accurate and compliant documentation is fundamental to managing customs clearance fees effectively. Ensuring that all required documents are complete, accurate, and comply with customs regulations minimizes the risk of delays, inspections, and potential penalties. Working closely with customs brokers and utilizing automated documentation systems can streamline this process. Implementing efficient supply chain strategies can contribute to cost savings in customs clearance. Just-in-time inventory management, optimizing shipping routes, consolidating shipments, and leveraging economies of scale can help reduce transportation costs, warehousing expenses, and associated customs fees. Maintaining meticulous records is essential for effective cost management in customs clearance. Importers should keep track of all expenses incurred, including customs duties, taxes, inspections, and fees. Proper record-keeping allows for accurate cost analysis, potential duty drawback claims, and compliance with audit requirements. Periodic cost analysis helps importers identify potential areas for cost reduction in customs clearance. By reviewing historical data and analyzing expenses, importers can identify trends, assess the impact of various fees, and explore opportunities for savings. This analysis can inform decision-making, improve cost management practices, and identify areas to negotiate better terms with suppliers, shipping lines, or customs brokers. Working closely with experienced customs brokers is key to effectively managing customs clearance fees. Customs brokers have in-depth knowledge of customs regulations, tariff schedules, and existing trade agreements. Their expertise and insights can help importers navigate complex fee structures, identify cost-saving opportunities, and ensure compliance with customs requirements. Regularly reviewing customs clearance processes is essential to pinpoint areas for improvement and cost reduction. Importers should assess the efficiency of their supply chain, documentation practices, and the performance of their customs brokers. Streamlining processes, implementing automation, and introducing quality control measures can enhance cost management in customs clearance. Utilizing technology solutions can streamline customs clearance processes and enhance cost management. Automated systems can facilitate accurate record keeping, provide real-time visibility into customs fees, and assist with compliance. Importers should explore software solutions, including customs management platforms, to improve efficiency and reduce manual errors in customs clearance. As we conclude this video, we hope you now have a deeper understanding of customs clearance fees and effective strategies to manage these costs. By comprehending the different types of fees, leveraging free trade agreements, implementing supply chain strategies, collaborating with customs brokers, and utilizing technology solutions, importers can effectively navigate the complexities of customs clearance and optimize their expenses. Thank you for watching this video. We appreciate your support. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for upcoming videos where we will continue to explore various topics related to customs brokerage, international trade, and ways to enhance efficiency and cost-effectiveness in global trade.